Hi, I'm John,
I'm Carol.
and we just returned from a fantasy RV tour called the 61-Day Alaska Ultimate. What a trip that was.
God, it was fabulous. We really
Yes.
enjoyed it.
We did so much. I mean, we had no idea it would be so much fun.
But you know what? Our friends always said, why in the world would you sign up for such an expensive trip? You could do it yourself so much cheaper. Well, me being a numbers person, I used my spreadsheet, and every day I logged in. I kept track of all the campgrounds, the activities, the excursions, the meals, everything. And I added it all the way up. And by the end of the trip, if we had done it on our own to do the same exact stuff, would have cost $75 more what was the price of the trip.
I think Fantasy lost money on this
I
trip.
know
I
it
don't know how they could do it.
But you know what? That didn't include the convenience and the joy of having a wagon master and a tail gunner.
Tour guides, definitely.
Yeah, they were wonderful.
Yes.
All the planning was done for us. We didn't have to worry about a thing. We'd pull into a campground. I didn't have to jump out and go register at the office because the wagon master would be right there flagging us in, saying, "Oh, you're in site number 23." It was fabulous. You couldn't ask for more of it. Wonderful.
She always does the planning, and so this was like a no-brainer to do this. You know, it was so easy. Carol, would you do it again?
Oh my gosh, yes. Got to figure out the next trip.
Yes,
Which
yes.
one will go on. It was great. And we've made friends for a lifetime. Yes. We got to check and see what other trips the other people are going on.
Yeah,
see what we can do.
For sure.
It was great. Thank you, Fantasy.
Thank you, Fantasy.